Hey guys, this year at the Home and Garden Show, we are showcasing everything that completes an entire outdoor living space.
Make sure that opening's right, because right there shouldn't be any blocks. So here at the Home and Garden Show event, we've got our water feature back there in the back. We've got a small putting green. We have our pergola with the horizontal privacy screen and the board-on-board fence. We've also got our grill station and bar sitting area. And in the front here, we have 2 raised landscape beds with plants inside, and we have our lighting included.
Here are the 3 reasons that you should visit our booth. Number 1, you can see all the great things that we can do to your backyard. Number 2, we have a really great raffle where we're giving away a ton of free stuff, including a $3,000 grill, an entire LED lighting system, and a lot of other really great things. And then number 3, which is the best one, I think that you can walk through this display and you can use your phone to price out your entire yard by using our free estimator calculators.
By this booth, it is literally amazing. Wait until you see what they have here. You can scan it on a QR code and have a chance to win.
If you missed us this year at the Home and Garden Show, you can visit us on our website where you can explore every component of what makes up an amazing backyard living space. At the bottom of every page, you can use our free instant estimators to price out your dream backyard. Come check us out next year at the Home and Garden Show.